Critical Care Medicine ga mari lehnana Indian Society of Critical Care Medicine Isccm na sinduna first Criticon Imphal 2025 Medical Conference pangthokre. RIMS Jubilee Hall da pangthokiba Criticon ado hogdokpagi thoramda RIMS ke Director Professor G Sunil Kumar na chahi khara asida Critical Care Medicine gi lamda yamna chawkhatlaktuna modern health care system gi yamna maruoiba saruk ama oirakli. Matam amadi mafam chana minung si amaga loinana anaba miyoi amada critical medical care piba ngamba matamda miyoi amabu sibadagi kanba ngam haugadawribani. Critical care medicine gi lam the ladiba skill singbu makhatana improve tawba mathau tari. RIMS ki oinasu hiramasida ahenba mityeng thamli haiki. Amaramda conference asina Manipur khaktagi natana Northeast state singi oina intensive care service ki lamda hene improve tawnabagi lambi ama piba ngamlagani haina director asina thajaba phongdoki. Medical conference hogdokpagi thoram adda RIMS ki MS Professor N Sanjeev Singh, Indian Society of Critical Care Medicine ki General Secretary Dr. Sachin Gupta, First Criticon Imphal 2025 ki Organizing Chairman Professor I. Chauba, Organizing Secretary Dr. T. Kennedy Yauna, Doctor, Medical Staff Yauna Miyoi Kayana Sarukyaki.
The theme of this conference, Sharpening Intensive Care Skills, Saving Lives, is not only timely but also extremely relevant. The field of critical care medicine has grown rapidly over the last few decades, and today it stands at the very core of modern healthcare systems. Our ability to deliver timely, precise and compassionate critical care is often the deciding factor between life and death. This responsibility demands a continuous sharpening of our skills and adoption of evidence-based practices.